All right, we're going to start with our first video for the lenses lab at home. We have a galvanometer here and the coil and a magnet with the north pole marked partially in blue. It rubs off pretty fast. All right, I'm going to put the blue towards it and then away. So here's the blue in. I don't know if you can see it. I'll shade it a little bit. And then away. That's the north in, north away. Now I'll flip it around, south in, south away. Again, south in, south away. Now I'll just take it with, I guess, the north pole first and put it in there and let it sit. Notice it went back to 0. So from that information, let's answer some of the questions in the lab. We should be able to go through 2.1, all of 2.1 up into 3.1. All right. This will be called Lenses Lab Online Homework Video 1, Online Lab Video 1.